Today we will choose Chapter 1 Run as topic. Firstly, what do you think how to get a good grades of our essays? In order to help you, we will talk about run. So what is run? Can somebody tell us the definition of run? Also, I have to tell you this topic is certainly related to the main purpose of ENG19 because the main purpose of ENG19 is to teach students about the rhetoric. And the definition of run is type of writing and communication skills which can help you to convince others, which is also similar with the definition of rhetoric. That's why run is related to rhetoric. Why we need to learn run? Can somebody tell us why we need to learn it? Is this useful? Actually, it's a good question, and I will give you one word: rhetoric. Because it may help us to adopt the best way to convince your audience on the different situation and facing different audience. For example, you may prefer to use statistic example and a professional term to convince your professor with your opinion, but you have to use simple words and figurative way to convince kids with the same opinion. It means you may have to use different ways when you face different audience. And also, it may help you to get good grades of your homework. As you know, this topic may relate to inquiry one essay, because in that essay, we have to describe the situations for how we use rhetoric ways to convince others about our ideas. When we learn run, we can write specifically for why we use these ways to convince others on the specifically situations. And then why we use this term. Also, we can use the knowledge of run to talk about how can we do better and adopt a more appropriate way to convince others if we encounter this problem again. But what's the characteristics of run and how can we use run effectively? We may be clear the main feature for different kinds of run that we call flexible run. Also, we have to make run adaptable. Just like we could talk about how can we use run to get grades of inquiry one essay. We have to use appropriate run in order to make our communications and essays more convincing and more persuasive. Also, we have to clear our purpose of our essay. Then it may help us to know what is the best run to convince others. If we even do not clear our purpose, it's hard for us to decide which run is suitable for us. In order to clear our purpose and use the appropriate run, we have to know what's the right process to use run. Firstly, clear our ideas. We should arrange our ideas in order to decide what opinions that we need to express. Then, we may start to choose run. When we finished our essays, we have to do revise in order to prove we made appropriate run in our essays, which can prove our essay rhetorically. Run is also helpful in our life and other classes because when you learn run well, then you know how to write a persuasive papers and how to write a rhetoric research to convince your boss and other classes professor. Also, they may help you to express your ideas clearly because if you want to express an appropriate run, then you have to know what your purpose is because run is the way to make your argument point persuasive. In conclusion, if we want to learn thoroughly, we have to know the definitions of run. Then we have to learn how to analyze run. Also, we need to keep which is get understand what situation is fit for what kinds of run. Also, we need to develop which means run help us to explain explanations during the writing process from original purpose. Also, we need to know how to use. It will be helpful in our career if we use run appropriately.